Did you know that you can start making money right away with little or no experience just by utilizing this simple strategy on the print-on-demand business model? Now I'm going to walk you through this in a step-by-step pattern, so make sure you follow me as we dive right into the video of making money online with the print-on-demand business model. But before we go on to what the print-on-demand business model actually is, you want to first come onto this particular AI tool called the Leonardo AI. This is an amazing AI tool that you can use to go on to creating cool and amazing quality footages or images right now with the help of this platform. So take a look at all the images that you can see on the screen. They were all generated with the help of this AI tool by individuals on this particular platform, and you can see how amazing that actually is. All they need to do is just simply give the AI a simple description of the kind of image they actually do want, and the AI is actually going to go on to generating that for them. Now for you to actually go on to gaining access to the platform, you can come onto the leonardo.ai website, create an account, because this is absolutely free to create an account. You just need to go on to signing up. You don't need a credit card details to sign up to the platform. Create an account with your email address and you can be brought to a home page such as this once you do log into your account. Now supposing you like an image on the platform and you want to see how the simple prompt that was used in generating the image, you can just simply click on that right now, and you can actually see that this is the prompt or description used for generating this particular image right now. You can see the prompt says a majestic lion standing tall in the African savannah is golden fur glistering in the warm sunlight. Now this is a very cool prompt that you can actually go on to utilizing also, because it's going to generate a similar kind of image but not exactly the same image right there. So you can also see much more details about this particular image, such as the input resolution, the pipeline, the presets, which is anime, and other cool details about this right now. You can see that there are actually cool details about the image and also the fine-tuned model that was used right here. So you can also go on to creating yours. Maybe you actually want to create an image right now. You could come onto this image generation section, click on that. It's going to take you to the page where you could just simply come right here, paste in your text prompt, and actually click on generate to go on to generating cool and amazing images. But before you do generate an image, you need to know that this platform actually gives you about 150 tokens to use every single day for image generation, and you can see the amount of tokens that will be used for this particular text prompt to generate images. And you could also take note that it's going to generate 2 images per prompt right now for this particular tokens right here, because that's how it was actually set on for me, and I said that myself. You can increase the number of images that will be generated per prompt, or you could reduce that yourself. You could edit or check out some of the other properties of this particular image, or you could actually edit that yourself. As you can see, I'm actually going to go on to playing throughout this section. You could check out the image dimension and a lot more cool features right now. Now once you actually edited that, you also need to take note of this fine-tune model section. Now these are actually cool models that you can just simply select, and this model actually helps us in creating or selecting the kind of image that will be created. Now supposing I select the absolute reality, is going to create something like a reality kind of image. If I do click on generate right now, the image generation process is actually in progress, and that will be generated in a matter of some seconds. You can go on to changing the fine-tune model also. Maybe I want to select the anime style. I'm going to select that and click on generate right now. So you can actually see right there that this is the image that was generated just by utilizing the absolute reality model right now. So you can also want to check in the one for the anime style. You can actually see how cool this actually looks like an anime. You can go on to changing this right here to something like the 3D animation style, and it's going to generate an image for you that is kind of like a 3D animation video or animation image. Now once you've actually created some cool kinds of images just by utilizing this platform, you can then just simply go on to using such images to make money online. So take a look at how this image looks like right now. So supposing I just simply scroll through and I like one of the images I generated before, and I want to utilize such image to make money online, I'm just going to click on the download icon after hovering on such image, and that image will be downloaded on my device. Now once the image has been downloaded, you can just simply utilize the print on demand business model to make money with such image. And if you don't know about the print on demand business model, it's a business model where products such as apparels, accessories, or home decorations are produced only when an order is received, as this also helps us to eliminate the need for inventory management and upfront cost. Now, with this business model, you can do that right here even without having any single dime with you. So you can just simply start that model right away without any capital. And you can see this is a summary of how the model works. You create a cool design. When customer likes such designs and places an order for that design on your store, the order goes onto the print on demand platform, which will then print the item, package that, and send that to the customer. So all you need to do is to create a cool design, and you're going to be making money when this actually happens, or when people purchases your products. And there are some cool print on demand platforms that could help you do all this right now. And the platforms actually include the Printify. This one right here is the Printful, and you can just simply place your designs on items such as mugs, pants, t-shirts, hoodies, and a lot more cool stuff right there, including phone cases. Right now there are a lot of stuff to place your designs on. You could also utilize platforms like Redbubble right now. This is also a cool platform where you could go into placing designs on clothing, apparatus, dresses, hats, and a lot more clothing materials, stickers, phone cases, wall art, living accessories, kids and babies accessories, stationery and office, and a lot more cool categories. You can also utilize platforms like Teespring. And right now, if you sign up for Teespring, just simply click on start creating. It's going to load up and take you to the page of where you just simply need to go on to creating or editing such kind of cool image right now, or placing that on a cool design. So you can actually see that there are a lot of cool stuff which you could place a design on, and you can see that you can place that on a hoodie, t-shirt, pants, and a lot more cool stuff, including hats and other stuff right now. Now supposing I want to utilize a hoodie, I'm just going to select that right here, and it's going to bring me to this page. Now right here on this page, I can just simply go on to editing this to my preference. I can change the color of the hoodie. I can actually add an image by clicking on add image, select that image right now which I just simply downloaded, and I can just simply place that in a section I do want. I can increase the size of the image, I can reduce that, I can actually turn the image how I want, and you can see how this looks like right now. You can actually see that this is the front. For the back, you can also go on to put in something quite amazing also. Now I can just simply click on add image and also add an image at the back of this hoodie right now. So if I add a different image, maybe I'm just going to play around with this. I just want to add this image, and you can see right now the image has been added. I can actually go on to increasing the size of the image if I want. Now once you've actually done that right now, this is just for tutorial purposes. I'm not focusing more on this, but make sure you do create something quite cool and amazing. Once you're done, guys, you can just simply check out the preview right now. Now if you check out the preview, this is how it's actually going to look like at the back, and this is how it's going to look like at the front. So this is actually looking quite cool. You can add text right now if you want. You can actually go into editing the price which you want to sell this particular hoodie, and you can see the profit margin you'll be making. If I increase the price right now, you can actually note that the profit will go up right there. You can see the profit now. Now once you're done, click on continue, and it's going to take you to the next phase, which is actually the phase for styles right now. Now for the styles, you can actually go into selecting multiple designs or multiple kind of t-shirts you want to place your design on, or product right there. As you can see, you can place that on long sleeve t-shirts, you can place that on sweaters or unisex sweaters, on pants, on normal t-shirts, v-neck t-shirts, and a lot more cool stuff right there. So check out all this right now. To place that on such kind of product, just simply click on the plus icon, and that will be placed right there. You can also see the price, of which you can go on to editing right now. Once you're done, just simply click on this particular continue icon. Then you can go on to giving this particular lineup a name, a title, a description, and launch that on this particular platform. Now once you launch that, guys, you're not done yet. You just simply need to create a simple store, and that store is where all your cool and amazing designs will actually be available for people to go on to seeing. If they do see that, purchase a product from that. The platform called Teespring, or the printing on demand platform you're utilizing, is going to take the rest or do the rest of the job for you by printing that design, shipping it to your customers, and both you and the platform share the profit right now. So what you're going to do right now after creating the store is to also link that to other amazing shopping platforms online like Etsy, because this is an amazing platform a lot of people do go on to visiting to purchase cool products. You can list that on Etsy. You can also go on to linking your shop to platforms like Amazon, so that people can actually go on to seeing such products, purchase such products, and you make a lot of money online. So this is a cool type of strategy that you want to use to make cool cash online. If this video or strategy was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to my channel OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release cool videos to help you boost your income online. If you're also looking for other ways to make money online, check out the videos on my channel. There are a lot of them right now that can actually help you boost your income. Check out the videos, and that will actually help you. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.